Hi, I'm Dan, and I'm building one of my projects in public. What I'm building is a smart router for LLMs and HTTP requests. With this platform, you are able to send requests to different LLM providers or models based on rules that you create. For HTTP requests, it should be possible to alter the destination, payload, and other details of the request. In this early stage of a project, I like to add a continuous integration GitHub action that executes the build, does linting and tests, if there are any, that helps future development by finding errors earlier. Act is a very useful command line tool that allows you to run GitHub Actions locally on your own computer. So I'm going to install that first. It saves me from having to commit and push every change and having to wait for GitHub to do the execution and then check the result. The steps to execute are pretty straightforward. First, install pnpm, the package manager I use to manage the mono repo for the project. After that, I do an audit check to see if there are any known issues with the dependencies. Then build, lint, and run the tests. During the execution of the build, Next.js is giving some build errors and a warning on the build cache. Since this is a mono repo, this might not be as straightforward to implement as it is described in the documentation of Next.js. At build time, I'm finding out that the auth secret environment variable is not present, but nValid, the environment validator that I use, is triggered and fails on the missing secret during build time. So for now, we work around it by manually setting an empty value at build time. And then we get to the SQLite error. The error has something to do with the native part of SQLite not being built or not being available. So together with Cursor, I need to do some troubleshooting. This was my recording on adding a GitHub action to Genie Nexus. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and support me making more videos.